Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you a very interesting story. Read and listen carefully. Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest filled with trees, rivers, and animals of all kinds, lived a very unusual bird. This bird was not like any other. It had one body but two heads. Its name was Bharunda. Bharunda had two long necks and two beautiful heads. Both heads were clever, strong, and could speak. They shared the same body, the same wings, the same heart, but each had its own mind. At first, the two heads lived happily together. They would fly through the sky, sit on tall trees, and talk to other animals. When one head was tired, the other would take control. When one head was hungry, they both shared the food. But as time passed, something changed. The two heads began to argue. The seeds of jealousy. One day, while flying over a river, the first head saw a shiny red fruit floating on the water. "What a beautiful fruit," said the first head. "It must taste delicious." He picked it up gently and took a bite. It was indeed very sweet and tasty. "Yummy! This is the best fruit I've ever tasted," he said. The second head became jealous. "You didn't even ask me," he shouted. "Why didn't you share the fruit with me?" "But we have the same body," said the first head calmly. "What goes into my mouth will feed both of us. We both get the same nutrition, so why does it matter who eats?" The second head was angry. "You are selfish," he shouted. "Next time I find something tasty, I won't share it with you either." The first head laughed. "You are being foolish. Why argue over food when we live in the same body?" But the second head didn't forget the insult. He became bitter and planned to take revenge. The poisoned plan. A few days later, as they flew over the forest, the second head saw something strange near a tree. It was a fruit with a beautiful color but a terrible smell. The second head knew it was poisonous. "This is my chance," he thought. "I'll eat this fruit to teach the other head a lesson." The first head saw the fruit too and shouted, "Wait! That fruit is dangerous. It's poisonous. If you eat it, we'll both die." But the second head didn't listen. "You didn't care about me when you found your fruit," he said. "Now it's my turn." Before the first head could stop him, the second head ate the poisoned fruit. At first, nothing happened. But soon, the poison began to spread through their body. Both heads felt pain. Their wings became weak. Their eyes grew dim. Within minutes, Bharunda, the great bird with two heads, fell to the ground dead. The forest was silent. The animals who saw the bird fall were shocked and sad. "How foolish," said an old deer. "They lived in one body but fought as if they were separate." "They forgot they were one," said the wise turtle. "And their pride destroyed them." From that day on, the story of the two-headed bird was told across the forest. That's the end of the story. Subscribe to the channel for more stories.